Excellent. So Francesca Spinelli was unable to make it today, but my name is Erin Garrity. I work for Trane in their Digital and Energy Services group, specializing in energy storage. So we're very excited to be here today to present with you guys. And I have my colleague Tristan up here. I speak with my hands, and I only have one, so he's going to be handling the clicker performance. Excellent. So let's meet the team that made it happen. Our team of future-focused young people are scattered throughout the audience. So feel free, if you didn't get the opportunity to pick their brains at lunch, I highly encourage you to do so. Like I mentioned, my name is Erin Garrity. I do digital and energy services for Trane New York, specializing in energy storage. This afternoon, we are going to do a brief overview of traditional thermal energy storage systems. Then we're going to watch a case study from one of our early adopter partners. Then we're going to get into the very exciting topic of how Trane has reimagined thermal energy storage systems to align with decarbonization goals with the electrification of heat. A recent study by UC Davis states that thermal energy storage systems are up to 77% more valuable for the grid than previously estimated. And I'm sure that we're all so excited to hear that the research is finally backing up what we've known for a very long time. Thermal energy storage solutions offer reliability, scalability, integrability, and they're proven effective in New York City buildings where space and electric costs are both at a premium. Thermal energy storage solutions also offer the opportunity for building owners to take advantage now without having to wait for policy changes that may be associated with other storage technologies. One of our partners at SL Green 11 Madison installed a thermal storage system, so here we're going to watch a video.
If you think about cities, first off, buildings themselves represent 76% of the electricity consumption of the world. And so cities have a big strain on the environment.
Energy and emission standards for the city and state really matter. We all have to take a serious look at reducing our footprint. These types of decisions are at the vanguard of our commitment to SL Green's environmental, social, and governance program.
In New York City, the power usage has changed dramatically and will continue to change dramatically. Con Edison, as the provider of all this energy, we need to try to look ahead and plan for the future.
Trane, as a company, we set bold targets for sustainability.
Con Edison is asking the community of New York to participate in demand reduction projects. And so thermal storage is a key component of the program that's being offered.
In this city, the peak load is the air conditioning load in the middle of July. And thermal storage is focused right on that. I mean, you cannot find a better solution to reduce that peak than thermal storage.
Our vision for 11 Madison will ensure the building's legacy upholds its reputation for excellence in offering premier office space supported by modern infrastructure.
Air conditioning accounts for about 40% of a building's energy use. So for 11 Madison, one of the most iconic facilities in New York City, a thermal storage system really made sense not only for their bottom line, but also for their sustainability goals as a portfolio. The thermal battery cooling system acts as battery, charging the ice bank energy storage tanks when excess or inexpensive energy is available, and discharging when demand is high or price is high, or when the utility asks for the discharge to occur. We're creating ice at night, and we're using that ice during the day to cool off the building. We are reducing the amount of energy required by power plants that are stationed in our area.
We thought long and hard about the Ice Plant project. When we made this decision, the timing to switch out existing equipment with new, energy-efficient technology was perfect.
At 11 Madison, we brought in all the equipment. Every night we'd come in, remove all the protection, bring tanks in, lower them down into the fourth basement. It's a lot with the fully occupied building.
It was a learning experience for everybody. And Trane came in, we had multiple training sessions, and it really taught us a lot about the system and how to tweak it.
We'll sit with the operators, we'll sit with the management so they understand how the system works.
We were able to accomplish our goal from start to finish in only 5 weeks. So that's a huge testament to the Trane team and to SL Green's team.
One of the keys to a successful project like this is data and information that allow us to, from a distance, track to see how a building's doing.
Without that data, we would not have been able to communicate a compelling story to show the performance of the system that's being installed.
With the ICE plant, we were able to lower tenant energy costs by 10% and decrease our carbon emissions. We were able to prove out to our tenants that there are financial gains by making capital investments into the base building. SL Green capitalizes on every opportunity we have to green our portfolio because we have a responsibility to our tenants, our partners, and to New York City as a whole.
Everything that we do is focused on how do we reduce greenhouse gas emissions for our customers. The Energy Efficiency Leadership Award recognizes customers that have a large impact on CO2 reduction for the climate, and SL Green fit that perfectly this year.
Having Trane as a strategic partner, we knew it would be a success. Our project at 11 Madison was our maiden voyage with Trane. We've asked them to now partner up with us at 220 East 42nd Street. They're joining us at 1 Vanderbilt, our marquee development site. The future opportunities with Trane seem endless. And as we move towards a more sustainable future, I can't see us doing it without Trane.
Electrification will likely play a part in a low-carbon future, so understanding heat pumps and thermal energy storage's relationship to them is going to be critical. I know that the panel up here pre-lunch spoke on some of the challenges that we're going to face, so we've come to the very exciting part of our presentation. Enter Trane storage source heat pumps, a reimagined approach to thermal storage that addresses several prominent challenges on our road to electrification, including thermal balancing, physical space requirements, low ambient performance, and lowering upfront costs. The versatility of our solution captures the essence of strategic decarbonization in one of the world's most prominent real estate markets. Trane's storage source heat pump solution utilizes the same system assets in different configurations based on ambient temperatures. And for questions that are more technical based, I'm going to defer to my teammate Patrick McBride, who's waving his hand. He's our systems expert, so anything design, you guys can go to him. He's our expert. And with that, I would like to take the opportunity to thank REBNY and NYSERDA and all our other partners. This was Trane's second PropTech challenge that we participated in. It's probably the highlight of our year. We love to get together and challenge ourselves to come up with new technologies. So thank you for the opportunity, everybody.